Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can remove all your computer's softwares at once. Most people are used to the method of doing it in control panels. For those who didn't know, let me show you how you can properly uninstall a basic software. So usually this is what you do and the software is permanently uninstalled, but as you can see this is gonna take long to properly uninstall all softwares at once, and most people are used to the method of going on control panels and uninstall each softwares at once, so today I'm going to teach you how you can permanently remove all of them at once. It's simple, simply search CMD. And then run it as administrator. Then after type in system reset. Then press enter. And now as you can see your computer has been given a chance to reset, whether your whole computer, or resetting your computer and keep some. What this means is that if you click on keeping files, all the softwares will be properly uninstalled, and some files will be kept as you wish, but if you click on removing everything, it will properly factory reset your whole computer and you will need a new Windows after. So to reset all your softwares, make sure you have your computer has a power cable plugged in, so simply start by clicking on keeping some files and reset one. Then now as you can see here are all the software you have in your computer. Remember, before you go further with the procedure, simply make sure have your computer is well plugged in. And as you can see here are so many files that will be lost, including some many system files, so be sure that you want to go further with this. So simply click on next. Then now as you can see here is the final confirmation of your computer to reset all of your computer's software. And now as you can see all the apps and their programs will be lost. And the changes will go back to default, which means all the instructions you have set on your computer will completely go back to normal, and the Windows will reinstall and some personal files will be kept. So simply click on reset and the procedure of resetting your computer, and the process will start. So remember to have your computer well plugged, and make sure you have enough time to wait. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.